Don't make me warn you. Read the rules. No language shaming unless it's me shaming whatever you use, whatever other people use. I'm kidding. But Quantic. My balls. Thank you for following. Follow me wherever I go, my balls. And I appreciate that's about you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh. No. Oh. Damn it. I'm going to get you. Fine. I accept my fate. And dead. Sooty's revenge. Or for nefarious purposes. I don't want anybody using that clip of me saying it on repeat while they do whatever in the privacy of their own home. I don't want anybody hearing me saying, oh daddy, oh daddy, oh daddy, over and over again from that clip. Don't do it. It's as bad as ripping your dick off some new Cat 6. Or something. Because one of the cables I made is falling apart. Well, not falling apart, but it just keeps getting disconnected from my network switch. At least now I know where to look. Fucking hell. Where's that other one hiding? There's that just the crotch? That's actually my nose. Da, 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 da. So I'm doing all the I'm doing all this for just to try and get video in. Whoa, 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 hey, hey, hey! My bullets are carrying me away. Don't do it, Infina. Don't do it, Infinitiny. I know it. Don't do it. Just go. Uh-huh. Ball. Forest full of trees. I can't find a single one. Oh, okay, there's my bathroom for the night. Yep. What's that? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No. Oh, no. Oh, no. Up. Oh. No. Oh. Damn it. That didn't work. Hey guys, yo, what's up? Ayo, hey, check this out. We're gonna go in and we're gonna make some trees today, yo. Don't forget to smash that subscribe. No, let's recharge it. We're gonna take a look at our billboard. Fire's out. That means a bear is somewhere near. And I'm learning game dev using Godot, working on a scary ass bear game. At least that's a goal. I hope that he's a scary ass bear, not a bear with a scary ass. Although, I guess it really depends on his diet, doesn't it? How scary his ass is going to be. I mean, if he's on a fuel diet, like me, it's going to be very scary. But I digest. I'm having a hard time understanding the best way to pull this out. You're first. Hello. Welcome in, everybody. How we doing? Hexic, congrats on being first. Zada, Saber, welcome in. Hope you're okay. And a little problem still with different audio sources showing up as playing and playing in the background. And I can hear them, and it's very distracting. So I can still hear the clips running in the background while I was on this scene, so they shouldn't have been in the background. So weird. So strange. Anyway, how's everybody doing? Wolger, good to see ya. Laundry. Fair enough. So I'm of two minds tonight. There are a couple options of what we could do. And I want to leave it up to you because so next week I'm going out of town to speak at a conference to give a talk on how streaming has made me a better developer, which it has. Laundry in the pool? I mean, go ahead. You know, some people pee in the pool, some people do laundry in the pool. Hopefully not in the same pool. You know, lots of people pee in pools, but only I do it from the diving board. So I kind of want to polish the presentation a little bit more, maybe. But at the same time, I kind of want to do some sooty work. But I'm afraid that anything that I do on sooty, I'm going to forget all about it by the time we come back. Also, is it showing slow mode for all y'all? Because I'm not seeing it, or I am seeing it, but when I tried to turn it off, it said that it isn't on. So somebody let me know if you're seeing slow mode in the chat. Because I can't test it. TD, welcome in. Good to see you. Thank you for confirming. Now, mods, timeout TD for spam. I'm almost kind of tempted to just learn something brand new too. Maybe see if we can use some of the stuff that we've learned. Maybe it's a sooty sculpting night. Maybe it's I don't fucking know. All right, let's take a look. Let's see the presentation. Zada Saber has spoken, and presentation wins. While we're waiting, let's play an embarrassing clip of TD.
So, just if we could do like a bit. You hear me?
All right, so we got this. No, not that. This thing.
Oh my god, that means I could make a redeem where like 4,000 bits. It would it would open.
Let's duplicate it. And do that. Oh, okay. Come on. Nope. Damn it. Hate when it does that. All right, so what we're doing now is we're putting this shader here to add just a little bitty of motion in the ocean, right? Not too much. Is there anywhere else that we could add that in? There we go. There we go. How about that? Ooh, but. So many buts. Slide to object 11. So let's make it a child there. I think that looks really cool. I mean, it's not a huge difference, right? But it adds just a little flavor. Damn it, stop doing that. No, not again. Fucking hell.
Don't mess with my toot
Big
toot.
Gamey is here.
I know you have another woman.
Welcome
Don't
in,
mess
my
with my
friend.
toot toot.
It is good to see you. I don't know. He came in for a shout out and just took off. That seems to be his MO.
You run around completing different tasks. And I won't give any spoilers to the ending of the game in
Oh, look, there he is.
case you ever play it.
Uncalled
but
for or
he escapes every
called
time.
out.
Actually, he escapes 80% of the time. I think Dukasoft managed to catch the baby on the last stream. So, yeah, it's definitely weighted in the baby's favour, but sometimes the baby does get caught and then it plays a different sequence. And
That was definitely an informative clip. Hey, Gamey. Thank you. And if you like game development and want to see somebody who actually knows what they're doing, you should check out BitGamey. Me, I'm just faking it. I'm just throwing shaders on top of stuff to make stuff look like I look interesting. Clip hygiene alert. That's right. It is time for BitGamey to do some clip hygiene. All right, let's take a look at this with some of the new and improved updates here. Save this, press play, find my controller, get tangled up. Ah, drop some meds, whatever. think I like that sound. I like that sound when I'm coming up and popping down. All right, that liquid looks okay. Ooh, the fish didn't show. I had a fish there. The fish is gone. That's okay. That's okay. I wish there was a better way that I could like have the stars move, almost like parallaxy. I don't know if I could do that with the shader. I'm not sure if that's something like it'd be really cool if I could. Let's see. And the fact that it stays static, so I don't know how. Yeah, there we go. I don't want to put music to it. I thought about that. But I don't want to. Oh, whoa, hey, what? Yeah, I don't want to do music to it. But I wonder. I want to try something here. I have an idea, maybe. But so, like I was saying, I don't want to put music to it because I am going to be presenting it. I'm going to be talking. I'm going to be giving the talk. You know, I need to check this on a Mac too, just because I have it on compatibility. So in theory, it should work, but that doesn't mean it will. Okay, now where is this? Is this just going to be anything? That's a shaker. Where the hell is my color rect? Okay. This is my... All right. Okay, so let's try it with a 0.5. And let's turn on a repeat. Uh, so what's the size on this? What did we end up doing? Transform, 1926, 1087. 1826, 1087. Okay, auto scroll. Okay, check that out. Check that out. Let's just, that might be a bit much, honestly. Yeah, let's just reset it. Let's see what this looks like, okay? I'm optimistic that the parallax layer here is going to work. Let's see. Nope. Didn't do a dang thing. Unfortunate. That's probably not going to work because we're randomly generating stars based on position of the viewport, which is not going to change. So having that shader isn't going to do a damn thing because it's just using the viewport. So what if we, no, I can't do an instance parameter, but take a look at this. But I would like to see is I want to understand how which one of these values is going to move it. I'll embiggen it just a little bit. Which of these values will move it? Like cause the stars to shift at all. And right now the thing here is this to center, size times position. Back to size times 0.5. Here. Okay. So that's not it. I thought that POS would be position, but it seems to also have something to do with brightness. What's the size? 4. Omnipotous, what is up? Still needs work. How you doing? Good to see you. Oh, okay. Hell yeah. Still need work. I am doing all right. Kind of excited about quite a few things, honestly. Right now, I want to have an almost parallax effect with the stars. So I'm trying to find a way to have them move slowly. But I don't know if that is going to work. I've got the source color. This is just a random magic number. Doesn't really matter. Basically creates a noise. So value of frag quartz x minus center x. Color equals t. I don't really know what t is. This is okay. So this is a color making it go shiny like that. Let's just see if I 60. It's going to slow it down a little bit here, which is fine. I was hoping that the size here that's not really doing it. Okay, screen texture. Screen UV. What? Okay, let's try this. Back to screen UV x. Oh, okay. What's that still needs work? Oh yeah, we're parallax isn't going to work because we're using a shader. Well, that made something happen. That made it twinkle, but no. That's the current color. That's the current color. All right, we gotta ask our friend ChatGipt. Which is all right because we were asking about this exact shader the other day. So let's check this shit out. How would I update it to make it so the stars move slowly across the sky? Okay, I was close. I was close. You can modify the positions used in the rand function. Ah. And okay. Float star speed. Okay. 0.1. Float size. Okay, it looks like it was before here. Drag chord XY. I was getting there. I was kind of getting there. I was looking at that. I think the problem is I don't understand what frag chord is. Frag cord isn't actually built in. It's a bit misleading. Godot uses frag cord to represent something similar to other systems' built-in fragment coordinators. Coordinators, coordinates. Coordinates. Ooh, I'm dropping frames. That's not great. It's only 124. I don't know when they were dropped. Let me know. Let me know if I'm going shitty. Frag cord are in pixel units, not normalized. Okay. Screen UV gives normalized, frag cord gives XY. Screen UV is normalized, frag cord is XY. Okay. Okay, so let's go back here and take a look. Time times star speed. All right. Munglo, what's up? Cord XY plus offset. One. Sure. Share away, my friend. Oh. Ah, shit. Messed with gravity areas and add support for that in projects. Jeez. You are doing some phenomenal stuff here, Munglo. And then there's me, just like, how do I make Star go cross screen? True, but you know what you're doing. Take the compliment, my friend. Take that compliment. Wait, did it take away the floor? No. This is kind of what I was doing before, though. 1 divided by size times frag cord XY plus offset. Now we're just not seeing anything. So is the problem the offset? See, I can't tell what's going on here. If it's something to do with floor, let's clear this. Let's clear this so we know what we're walking into. Oh, I can't wait to see that. That looks so cool. Um, well, that's not making it go across. That's just changing the size. Wait, so maybe that isn't working because the ooh. Maybe that's not working because time is not a current variable, right? Range. Well, yeah, if the shaders determine or not quite. Look at that. It's not moving the stars, it's just moving the centers. But let's see. Yeah, let's change this. We're gonna have an unused variable. Get over it, editor. They are slowly getting smaller. They're not really moving. Okay, so that position is there now. Pull that. Well, this is something. Star value. Star bright. Nope. Oh, I think I see where it goes. I think I see where it would work. Maybe. I'm incorrect. Shaders are so weird. Center equals. Where's offset? Vec 2. Say star move. Nope, it's doing that shit again. Now this doesn't know what ran last time, right? And obviously time is working here, so that's not the problem. So there's a float. T. Okay, so I think there's something in here. Let's see if it can tell. Now this is kind of what I ended up doing already. Tried this. Vec2 pos equals floor. Record xy divided by size. And that's kind of exactly what this ends up being. And pos offset. Okay. Gonna be really fast. Ah, that is way too fast. Time times star speed divided by 100. 0.0. They're still not moved. Oh, you know what's probably happening here is that the stars aren't moving. It's the probability is changing. Is what I would like to see instead. Is having them move. Okay, see. Oh, let me start this thing up real quick. But I think that having them twinkle a bit isn't so bad. Nope, still not having them move. Still not having them move. Oh well. Time for some chat guess games. I'm gonna take a break. I'll be back. All right. Nobody got this one? I had no idea. Yeah, never heard of it. I'll probably heard of it, but dude. That gamer, good to see ya. Congrats on getting the point there. You knew that one? Then why didn't you type it, huh? Huh? So I think I'm just going to go with the flashing... the flashing thingies. Rather than try to get them to move, because we could spend all night trying to work on that. All right.
Do it! Just do it!
12 feet up. Welcome in. Good to see ya.
What? I'm so confused now. I am so confused. How is that? How is that a thing?
Stupid.
How is that a thing? I swear, Godot must have just added that this month. No, that's not true. I did download.
Wonder
this.
if
I did download.
somebody who lives in a tree. Not in a pineapple under the sea. But lives in a treehouse way up in a tree. I'm pretty sure that anybody who's here already follows you, but still, if you don't, go follow. Do it. Do it, do it, do it. All right, so we'll keep that. Call it good. Now, I am curious. Let's let me run it. No, I don't think it'll let me run it in browser because it's got two screens. No, that'll break. I almost need a second browser. So here's what it came up with. So the good news is it will run in browser, but I don't have access to the second screen. Which is bad. But interesting that it will run. What the hell is going on here? Okay. Hey, it actually loaded that back up. Wonderful. All right, let's look at something that we can learn. What could we learn about? Top-down pixel art starter project. Oh, this is kind of cool. Let's take a look.
This is my top-down starter project for Godot 4.2. You can find it on the Godot asset library or on my GitHub, both of which are linked in the description down below. It is a top-down pixel art 2D action game, or something like that. We start in an office where we can move, dash, and
Is it really a starter kit?
if we listen to the NPCs here, we get a sense that something isn't quite right. We move through the corridors, pick up these
It's a starter kit, but
pretty soon we come upon a dark, weird creature. It covers the entrance to the basement. Down in the basement, we find plenty more of these enemies, and an NPC that needs saving, and some more coins. Keep building on it is for you to implement. Anything in this project is free for you to use. You can keep building on it, replacing parts as you go, or you can take parts from it into your own game. It is entirely up to you. The player moves in 8 directions, can dash and punch. There are 2 levels to move through, the corridors and the basement. Both the player and enemies share common behavior through inheritance and the character base class. Both the player and the enemy use state machines. There are friendly NPCs that will talk and generate random text output when you get close. They can say specific things or randomly blurt out text. Here you can see some tweening as well in the movement of the text. In total, I believe there are 19 GD scripts in this project. Following this general overview.
okay, so that's kind of cool. But not what I'm wanting to kind of get a feel for. What is Kenny's FPS starter kit? There are so many really cool things that, like, I mean, that have great templates to start off with. And part of me is like thinking, ooh, so I want to learn all this stuff, but why don't I just take one of these templates, reskin it with my stuff, and ship it, and have something. There are just so many. I don't know. There are so many options, so many things that we could be doing. So what do you all want to work on, if anything? I'm just really kind of enjoying seeing what this stuff is. But
Streamers,
in his rating,
thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
You got a shiny pink diamond. You got a shiny. Pink diamond for your shiny pink face. Sorry.
welcome Raiders. How are we doing today?
That wasn't necessary.
Ben, how was your stream? How was everything? Anything you want to share? How's your game coming along? Is it scary? Is it scary yet? I am so unorganized myself. So Raiders coming in. For those of you who don't know me, I'm JD. I'm a web developer, currently learning game dev. I've been learning for about a year, and trying all kinds of different things. Just got done working on, just got done working on a presentation that I'm giving next week, which is a platformer, a PowerPoint presentation in the form of a platformer. Yes, you heard that correct. Unless my sound is off again, which does happen sometimes. But it is PowerPoint in the form of a platformer, and I will give you a quick little demo of it right now. So if you like what you see here, Raiders, feel free to hit that follow button. And I stream 5 to 6 nights a week when I'm not going out of town. So that's the gist of it. However, one of the things I am most proud of with this project is my speaker notes screen. You know, we're all lonely. I mean, if I had friends, I probably wouldn't be on Twitch all the time. So I have it so that my speaker notes are actually, they display and I have the second screen that's going to be on the projector that everybody else can see. So I can still, you know, control and see what's going on here. But I don't have to worry about cranking my neck back and looking at the screen behind me to control everything. Well, Finn, I just got a real job. A real job. Like, not a 3-month contract. Um, and things are looking really, really good there. Like, as in, I have a lot of good things happening because of there already. I'm so excited. So excited. I'm so scared. That's a Saved by the Bell reference for anybody over 30 or 40. So that is my platformer presentation, PowerPoint. And I was just, trying to decide. Oh, absolutely. I mean, come on. Been the closest thing I've had to social interaction in I don't know how long. Priest-Tricon. So the most social interaction I've had in months, since before I lost my, well, take that back. Right after I lost my job the last time, because I went to DrupalCon, which was great. But the most social interaction I had since DrupalCon was this past Saturday playing Minecraft with other streamers and shared chat and audience. I was hanging out with Beegs, with Pandacoder, with Nurkmind, Irad Dev. We were all hanging out, just joking around, playing Minecraft. These people that I had never talked to before, like one-on-one, synchronously, people that either I'm typing to them or they're typing to me, and we're just, hanging out and goofing around like we're old friends, just in voice chat, making fun of each other with love, and just it was great. And I wouldn't have that community. I wouldn't be a part of that community if it wasn't for getting in streaming. So that's kind of part of my spiel that I'm going to be giving at my presentation next week. So what I'm thinking, this week is going to be, well, it's already a short week because I streamed yesterday morning. My stomach was giving me some problems last night, so I didn't do my normally scheduled stream. And I'm taking off Thursday and Friday. So it's kind of a light week for me. And then next week I'm going to be out completely because I'm going to go up to Minneapolis to give this talk. I'm leaving on Tuesday, so Monday night I have to prepare. The other Zach, welcome in. Linux Foundation meetings. Do you work for the Linux Foundation? Because I have a friend who works there. I think she still does. But regardless, that is pretty funny. So I'm hesitant to do. Gotcha. I'm hesitant to do anything, big or start any. Robin, so good to see you. I've been doing pretty well. Welcome in. I was glad to see TP streaming yesterday. I hopped into her stream for a little while. I was lurking there, but it's really good to see you. And thank you for interrupting. I appreciate it. I like it when people use these redeems that I work so hard to steal from other people and install on my own system. It means a lot. But I am yeah, hesitant to come on, I've been here. You could have used me as a temporary replacement. Yeah, I get it though, because a lot of people. I was wondering where a lot of people went. Yes, Robin, I do that all the time. So the way I have my workstation set up is I've got my gaming PC / streaming PC, and I've got my work laptop, my Mac, my work MacBook, which is actually my MacBook, but I use it primarily for work. And my gaming PC has a monitor here, and it shares a monitor here. And my MacBook has, its own monitor, and it shares a monitor here. So what I'll do normally during the day is I'll have on my gaming PC, my streaming PC, I'll have Twitch up, and I'll have a couple of tabs, and I'll have it, very low volume. I'll just switch the monitors over, do everything over there. Then once in a while, I can press a button and switch the keyboards and mouse back and forth. But I use my soundboard that I use for streaming. I have input coming from the Mac, coming from the PC, coming from the microphone output. So I can adjust the individual volumes and still hear all of them. And it works out really well for the most part. Unless somebody starts going on like or raids into like a really heavy sound effects type thing, and all I hear is or whatever. What do people? Um, that depends on if they're swimming or showering or taking a bath. So, like I was saying, I don't want to really dive into new. I don't want to really dive into any new features or start working on new things with Sooty. So I'm kind of tempted to like start a completely new thing just to play around. And that's why when Raiders, when you came in, I was looking at the asset library here. Because I was interested to see what some of these starter kits and things were, some of these templates. Now the one that interests me the most is Kenny's FPS, but I'm already excuse me, but I'm already doing an FPS. So I'm also doing a platformer. So I'm kind of wondering what other type of game should I, if nothing else, just start learning? And we could do like a tower defense type thing, which I kind of got to start on that, but not really. Um, like a puzzle type thing. I don't know. I'm interested in just seeing what we can do, what we can. Ooh, hello. Well, Shit. Kree Strike on. I'm not looking for a new one to start. Just I have my big project, which is City's Revenge. Robin still got a little bit of media queries to write up. Be around more often, getting gear set up. Awesome. Awesome. I look forward to seeing you streaming again. And yeah, media queries, there's a reason that I'm glad that I mostly do back-end dev. I mean, on games, all I really have to do is, not for mobile. Not for mobile. No, you play it on this screen, or you don't play at all. So, Free Strike on. Yeah, I have my primary project. This is one that I'm spending the most time on. The one that I'm trying to build out and finish and have a polished, like sellable, marketable, scarable type game. But since I only have like two or 3 days of coding on this week, I don't want to spend. I don't want to confuse future me by starting to work on something, go out of town for a week, armed only with my Mac that can't handle any of the shit that I'm doing on here. So I can't do any dev that way. Content now to write up. Having a mature project is so nice. Oh yeah. So I am going into an interesting position. The job that I'm starting next week. No, not next week. The week after next. Right after I get back. Is for never-ending support for outdated or end-of-life CMS. Well, basically end-of-life anything projects. Which is going to be very, very interesting to deal with. Because oh yeah. I've been doing a contract for, about a month and a half now. But knowing that it's going to wrap up in December and not knowing what's coming up after that is just too much of a wild card. And I like having some stability. In this place that I'm going now, they are treating me really, really good so far, and I haven't even started. I don't want to go into details until things are official. Well, I mean, I've already signed the offer. I already have a work email and everything, so that's official, but I don't really want to be like, bragging about all the benefits and stuff just yet. I gotta watch my mouth because, got into all that. All that trouble with that one YouTube short that I put up. In game, nope. And there was a whole thing in April when I lost my last job. On the outside they said it had something to do with the YouTube short. I really got to run to the bathroom, so I'm gonna start chat guess real quick and run. I'm doing the Connie, welcome in, good to see you. I'm doing the pee dance. I'll be right back. All right, back. Figured I left a lot of time there for somebody to pick up. I'm taking it. Let's take a look at this one. So right now I'm just kind of looking at some of the templates, some of the files, some of the starter stuff. Did I read this wrong? Or it says Dungeon Crawler 3D. Oh. Kind of curious about this because it says it's 3D, but like that doesn't look 3D to me. Connie, I'm gonna be out of town next week, so I'm not gonna be streaming next week. Yeah, next week. So I don't want to start on anything new with Sooty and confuse myself when I come back. So I'm just interested in some of the things that are here. And just checking out some of the templates, seeing maybe if there's anything that I can learn from. This one looks interesting. Let's see. Oh, so that's gonna break because it's using tile map instead of the new tile map layer. Oh, cool. Very, very cool. What?
Name here. Thank you for the raid.
Welcome in.
How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Welcome in, Bionic Toothpick. How you doing? How was your stream?
And it probably rhymes with the word Rome. And
Still struggling, but having fun.
Answer,
Hey,
so that doesn't,
as long as you're having fun, that's the important thing.
That doesn't. And I drew that image with flux, and it said here, gas in front of lights, and I'm going to try neon.
Nice. Well, I appreciate that. I appreciate
so
you bring in
actually
Seto's.
Helped me solve the puzzle.
Appreciate you bringing Seto's community on over with and spreading the love. If there's anything that you want to share, anything at all, feel free to drop a link in the chat, and we'll take a look. For readers coming in who don't know me, I'm JD. I am a web developer, learning game dev. Right now, I'm working on a game about a bear called Sooty's Revenge. where you play a camper in the forest and there is a bear running around who really, really, really hates fires. And, well, you know, you have to start a campfire. Actually, you have to start a couple of them. And you end up, pissing off the bear. So it's still in development. It's available for wishlist. I just want to gauge. I have it on Steam for wishlist to gauge interest, to see what people think. I haven't done any playtests or anything like that yet. Whoa. I just noticed how cursed his hand looks in that. But tonight I'm looking through a couple different things because I'm going to be out of town next week, so I don't want to start a new feature, get halfway through it. Connie, say hello to all 8 of his legs. I don't want to get too involved, too deep into something, and then forget all about it while I'm out of town. So I'm just playing around a little bit with some of the things on the asset library to get an idea of what's available, what people are doing. At any box that initiate the blah blah blah. Incorporate global launch world scene. Okay. Project settings. Done. Launch world scene. Let's see what it does. Okay, well, this is interesting. Oh yeah, Tanya, I've looked through that. We looked through that when I did the takeover the other day. All right, let's just see. Let's just see. I mean, it doesn't have any movement at all, unless I'm missing something. It doesn't. Oh, god damn it. Using the UI. Okay, it's that kind of dungeon crawler. I gotcha. I gotcha. But I don't really see how the tile thing that I was just doing really mattered. Or is it just anything worked? I'm not seeing any kind of like color or anything. So we So is it just that I... Okay. Good talk. So does it really just not matter what I put in here? It's just gonna do the thing? Yeah, it's just doing the thing. So that's an interesting way to create dungeon crawler. The docks are very, very limited. This is a dock. To generate a dungeon, utilize a tile map. Simply add any box to initiate the creation of a 3D dungeon cell. So I think instead of having this base tile thing, they should just have a single tile that you use to draw it, because that's what you're doing. You're drawing it. You're not like styling out, because that's what I was wondering, if like these tiles here, well, you know, better view of it here, if these tiles like related to anything specific, like if they related to, yeah, exactly, that's what I was hoping. So I'm just kind of wondering if there's a way to do that. I mean, there might be, but all right, so quit project list. Da, ba, da. That's cool. That's cool. Oh, excuse me. What did I click on to get me there? All right, so good projects. And SVG was brought up before. This is pretty cool. So let's see. Gotta get it. Download the version for. Okay, I could download a build. Ooh, that's a relatively new thing too. So come on, I'm trying to download here. Download. I'm gonna put you in game assets. That's where you belong. Why is internet being funky? Okay, cool. Cool. Somebody else was mentioning this to me, or mentioning this to me before. So I'm very interested to try it out. We'll give that just a bit. Ooh. Um. Oh, cool. Okay. Google Play game services, very cool. All Mac stuff is really good. Okay, Fmod there thing. Yeah, Tony, that's what I use for my solo jam. Well, why am I so damn tired? Oh, because I don't sleep, but I don't eat. That's probably it. Shader debugger. Ooh, too sexy. Okay. Here to top. Now this has a lot of promise. Like if it's something that I could use to figure out what the hell's going on with my thing. Copy the coding is straight. It is canvas. Struct A, DBG, struct passing UV. Very cool. Very cool. Um. Um. Honey, what's up? Welcome in. Thank you for the stretch. Thing in shape is to modify its UV coordinates by adding a value to it. So I'm not quite sure how I could use that in my star. Infract. All right, ads are about to start up. I'll put on some chat guest games. I'll be back in about 3 minutes, okay? If you want to avoid the ads, subs are cheaper this month. Just saying. All right, we're back. Mm. And finish out this round, and then you know what? I'm probably gonna call it tonight because my stomach still hasn't recovered, and I'm not getting anything done. I'm just honestly stalling to be able to stream, but accomplish nothing. So we're gonna raid over to our friend El Conq. Absolutely amazing streamer. Definitely knows what's up. Fortune.
Here. Thank you for the raid. How did insert last
Fortune.
activity here go?
Hop on board.
Now, let's rock.